Oh my God.
Down there, we got the strip.
Good morning from Las Vegas. We just checked in at the Cosmo and we had an opportunity to upgrade our room to a wraparound suite. We went ahead and pulled the trigger and I'm gonna go up and get to our room. We're going to floor 57.
Wow, these are some big numbers.
57.
Going quick, my ears are popping and we're moving and grooving. Here we are at the Cosmo, room 5789.
Welcome to our suite at the Cosmo.
The suite at the Cosmo, wow.
So right here we have an entryway and you gotta walk all the way out here to see the excellent view.
Wow.
Two sides of the room.
This room is huge. How many square feet?
1,200 square feet. They've got this little bar area.
So it comes with a sink, a mini fridge included. They got all these extra snacks for purchase. Comes with a nice wine fridge for any wine that you bring with you on your trip to Vegas.
All right, and then we got the living room.
Big living room, a big TV, and it even comes with its own iPad. Pretty cool. You can check out with this, has guest services, you can order room service. Pretty cool. I think the biggest selling point for us was this big window and this big view. Down there, we got the strip, Las Vegas Boulevard, view of the MGM. Now if you walk this way, this is also part of our balcony. The other Cosmo Hotel. This balcony is huge. We come back inside. We have a second part of the hotel room, which is the master suite. Nice king-size bed, big flat screen TV, and it has a him and hers bathroom with a massive bathtub, shower, and two vanities with two sinks. It's pretty cool. And then you have the toilet in here, little personal room.
We almost forgot about the second bathroom.
Oh, we almost forgot about the second bathroom. You have a view from your bed, looking out the window at the beautiful mountains. Overall, this room is awesome. I have never stayed in a room so big in Vegas, and I have to say I'm impressed. We'll definitely be coming back to the Cosmo. And we almost forgot about the second bathroom. Second bathroom, big walk-in shower, massive shower. So what do you think, my love?
I think I loved it.
You
It's
think
been
you
great.
loved it?
Yeah.
Yeah, good vacation, good birthday.
Very good birthday. I think next time we just got to come back with some more friends.
Some more friends to enjoy this big room. I felt like it was a little bit too big for the two of us, but nothing is too big. It's very nice.
The snow-covered peaks. Oh my God.
I have to say the art pieces in this hotel room are pretty cool. We got this one.
And the best part is pretty good view of the sunset tonight. Come on out onto the terrace.
One of those rooms is ours.
Right up there.
One of those.
Catch the big one. 90. Come on, baby.
Come on,
Get the
John.
big one. $1.50. Oh, okay. Come on. Where's the big red snapper? Another 60 cents. Get back down there. Give me a big one. Another 60. Get down there one more time.
Oh my gosh.
30 cents, one more time. Get
Big
down
one,
there.
big one, big one. Hey.
Get back to where you started.
90 cents, not picking off.
Nice, Dylan. Nice, Dylan. Woo! We'll take it.
Okay, not bad.
Give me one more, big one.
I think that one's 30.
Alright!
Keep going, keep going, keep going. So fast. There's an overlook. Hey.
Coming down, looking over Hoover Dam and the lake. Welcome to Arizona. We're on our drive from Las Vegas to the Grand Canyon. We're stopping here in Kingman before we take a little detour down Route 66.